It's Terry from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. Just going over a Kawasaki Z900. It's a 1974 model, a Z1B. The vendor of the bike has actually owned it for about 31 years. She's had some new paint done. The pipes have been aftermarket exhaust in the original style. The dash has actually had a fabrication. The bike presents very well. They are getting very thin on the ground, Z900s. I don't see too many of them about, but when they do come into the market, they're fairly sought after. It's got new tyres. The bike rides exceptionally well, and it'll be coming up this week at Gray's. If you actually need any more information about this bike, give us a bell on 1300 Classic or email us at classic@grays.com.au.